This is Suchait Goel, a social media enthusiast, an aspiring student, a son of wonderful mom and dad, and brother to two sisters. I help fresh entrepreneurs and new startups with their business growth by increasing their visibility on social media through paid advertisements on Google, Facebook, and Instagram. This is the first video in series to help you with the challenge how to make your content more appealing to your audience. If you haven't watched the previous video in which I talked about the importance of images and much more, watch the video first and then this. You will get much more insights if you are watching both the videos. I told about how important are images. But what if we need to create images and find images? How do we do that? On Google there are various images. Either they are not as well and as what we want, but if they are as good, they mostly have watermarks and they are not free to use for us. We might get copyright issues, right? So how to find images? I will be revealing 5 sites to you which will help you get free images, free of cost, absolutely free. You also aren't required, it isn't compulsory if you are mentioning the attribute, but it is suggested. If you want to give the attribute to the person, you could always do. These sites will not give any copyright issue if you use the images from them, and you don't have to spend a single penny out of your pocket to use them. You could modify according to your needs and use it as it is if you want. These sites are providing number of images. You could use them also for your commercial purpose if you want. The first site I would like to mention is Pixabay. Pixabay. Now what's Pixabay? Pixabay is a free image site that helps you get loads and loads of pictures which are absolutely free to use. And what I mean by loads and loads, the approximate number I got on researching is 15 lakh images. Isn't it interesting? So there's one homework for you I am giving. Watch this video, click on the link in the description. I am giving the link of the site in the description as well, and find 5 images related to your niche and tell me if it worked for you as well. I'm sure it will, but if there are any queries or doubts, mention that in the comment section or DM me personally. I will surely be replying to them. Just to remind you that this is the first site I revealed from the 5. 4 are still pending. Also, there is one amazing and mysterious trick I am going to reveal, which will be like you have probably not heard of it, and it will be really amazing. And another thing is that I will be coming live on Instagram on Saturday for training you to how to create free images. If you want to create an image out of your own creativity from scratch, how to do that I will be telling you in the live session. So to stay tuned, follow this channel right now and subscribe to it. I'm looking forward for you in my next video. This is Suchait Goel signing off until we meet again. Thank you.